Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick tool haul from Lowe's. Today is the Friday the 18th of December 2020, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I went to Lowe's and grabbed a few items. This AWP genuine leather tool belt. It has trap jaw, quick access solution for secure storage on small tools and fasteners. Snaps open, easy access, snaps closed, secure storage. This is the most expensive tool belt that Lowe's had about a year ago. It was $99 plus whatever the tax was. Somewhere in the range of $104 or so. I've been staring at this for a very long time. My wife kept telling me to grab this, grab it, I like that. Well, AWP is no longer being sold at Lowe's. And I have several Lowe's videos before this where I picked up a bunch of other AWP stuff. But last time I saw this was about a couple days before Black Friday. This was $79 instead of $99. Today I saw it. It was still sitting there on the clearance section, and it was $49 is what it rang up as. It rang up as trap jaw oil tan leather tool rig. $49.99. So in my opinion, you know, $30 less than it was the last time. You know, 79, so 80, 70, 60, 50. You know, I grabbed it for the 49 bucks. I wanted to grab it for probably about 2 years now. And then I also grabbed this extra pouch. This is the oil tanned leather tool pouch. It looks similar to this one. The difference is though is this one has two pockets, one here and here. It has a large pocket and a medium trap jaw pocket, and it's got the hook and the two you know, small screwdriver, a couple markers spot, where this one has a large mouth, the trap jaw mouth, and then a smaller. So this one actually has one pouch missing. This one has two trap jaws. This one has one trap jaw. That's the only difference. And then this one has two pockets up here where this one does not. This was 24 bucks instead of its normal price of 59 bucks. And then I grabbed this little maintenance tote. I wanted to grab this when I grabbed the other totes, but it was 20 bucks at that time. They clearanced it to $18.98, and then they clearanced it to $9.49. So I grabbed it for $9.49. And then I also grabbed this little guy. This is an impact driver holster. In previous videos, I grabbed the DeWalt impact drill, or not impact, but drill driver holster. This one's a lot shorter for an impact driver, where the other one's bigger, longer for a hammer drill or a regular drill driver. And while I was there, I found these two items. So this strap harness, and neither one of them had tags. And I also found this yoke style suspender rig. And because all of the items that they had, all the tool belts that take these, that they had already had them, the gentleman said, hey, Merry Christmas, go ahead and take them with you. So I didn't actually pay for these two. because they had 4 belts left that took this one. All 4 belts had the perspective yoke style suspender straps, and they had a small or a large tote that was supposed to come with this style one, and come to find out all the totes that they had left, they only had 2 totes left, and both of them had one of these already in the tote. So instead of charging me for them, he just, the manager, Gary, awesome guy, he's like, you know what, Merry Christmas, just take them. If you bought a bunch of AWP stuff and you're going to be buying these, just take them with you. So he was really nice. He let me take these 2 items. I'm more than likely going to be using them with one of the other rigs. My maintenance rig did not come with these when, come to find out, it was supposed to, so it was kind of a lucky accident. My maintenance rig didn't come with these, or it might have been my framer's rig that didn't come with these. I don't remember which one it was. I do know one of my tool belts that I picked up from AWP came with these yoke style suspenders. It might be the framer's rig, if I remember correctly, that didn't. So now I have one for both the maintenance rig and the framer's rig, and then here's a little harness for, you know, whatever I use it with, you know, tool belt or a tote, you know, whatever I choose to use it for. Everything here, this guy right here is on sale. This one was $10.98. This was exactly $101 here. So I got this impact driver holster, this little tote, and this oil tanned leather tool pouch, and this AWP genuine leather oil tanned tool belt for the price of just this tool belt. So I don't think you could beat it. It was a pretty great price, especially since this was technically 50% off, you know, $99 to $49. And then here's an impact driver. This is the 2857. It's got scuffs on it. I use it a lot. This is the 1 key Milwaukee Gen 3. Oh, the light died. So this one is for this style. It's not made for a drill, but this one's made for an impact. So like that. And I'll show you real quick the other one. See, this guy's a lot bigger. This one's bigger in length and everything. This one is for a drill. And see, I'll just grab so you can see the perspective difference. I'll grab the 1 key Gen 3 hammer drill from Milwaukee. So this one is made for drills. It's a lot longer. See? So I figured $10. This one was like $13. This one right here. I grabbed both. This one a few weeks ago on a different video. And then I just saw the impact driver one, so I grabbed that one. So you can put whatever tool you want. I have DeWalt as well as Milwaukee. You see how full the Milwaukee drawer is. All of my DeWalt's I put over here, other than 2 of my Milwaukee tools. But I grabbed these particularly for the DeWalt framer rig that I have, tool belt framer rig. That's why I grabbed this guy. But for $101, you know, for basically the price of this guy right here, just this tool belt right here, all of this was cheaper than just this tool belt. If this tool belt was $99 still, after tax it would have been more like $106 or so. So I actually got everything here. This tool belt, this pouch, this item, this DeWalt impact driver holster, as well as this maintenance tote, all for like $4 or $5 cheaper than this tool belt when it was full price. So it's a pretty great deal, in my opinion. I figured I'd show you guys the hammer drill and or drill holster. Here's my mid-torque. Grab this one and pull this one out. Put it back in the drawer. This one back in the drawer. But, you know, just a quick video. Figured I'd show you guys. This was $90.79, plus this was on a different receipt, which was right here is $11.84. So it was exactly $100 and $101.20. So figured I'd show you guys. It was really nice of Gary, the manager at Lowe's, to just tell me go ahead and take these 2 items. It was actually really nice of him. So appreciate him for being nice, because I really wanted to pay for them, but yeah, I knew one of mine didn't come with one of the suspension rigs like it was supposed to. And he's like, well, if you're missing one, don't worry about it. We don't have any tool belts that need this because they're all accounted for, so go ahead and just take it. And this one will come in handy for one of these totes. I have a larger one of these totes, in green, lime green, same color as this. But I appreciate you guys hanging out with me, checking out the video. My wife's going to be surprised that I picked up this belt, so now I have 6 tool belts, all different styles. One's a maintenance rig, one's a framer's tool belt, one's a carpenter's belt, and this is the other side. So this one is the other side of this tool belt. It's oil tanned leather tool rig, that's what they call it. Trap jaw pouches, steel hammer loop, genuine leather. Fits up to 50-inch waist, extra large pockets for maximum capacity, reinforced stress points for durability. I don't know if these will be warrantyable. I don't know if AWP is just going out of business, or they're just, Lowe's is removing them because, you know, some contracts end up being up. I think the AWP contract is up at Lowe's, and that's why they're not carrying it no more, because Lowe's is now carrying DeWalt tool belts. They're carrying Cobalt tool belts, as well as Tough built tool belts. So, and the Tough built I kind of like. They actually have quick disconnect and connect pouches, so that's really nice. But I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the channel. All of these tool belts have these little handles so you can carry it right here. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate link, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. As always, smoosh the bell notification icon if you guys want to see future videos. You guys will more than likely see me be using these and wearing these when I'm doing carpentry work, stuff like that. I got a bunch of stuff on this house to repair and fix. So having the tool belts will make it a little easier, well, a lot easier than me running back and forth grabbing screws. Also, I have a link at the very top of the description. You know, it's an Ulsa Tools link. You click on that link, it'll save you guys 10% off of your order at ulsatools.com. As well as it kicks me back availability to get 10% off my order at ulsatools.com. And sneak peek, just a quick update, I will be getting a bunch of Capri tools in. I ordered them earlier today. Got a bunch of free goodies that should be showing up with it. We'll go through those, check out all those tools, what the free goodies are and everything like that. So look out for that video. We're going to be doing a lot more Capri tools videos. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you guys so much for hanging out, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace!